Good evening, everyone. Hope you guys are all fine. Today, in my video, you can get different multicolor outdoor waterfall lights. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Check out our waterfall fairy lights selection for the very best in unique or in a decent way. Solar lights, outdoor garden decor, solar waterfall. As you can see in my video how we can use our multicolor waterfall lights or the solar lights for the outdoor decoration. Hope you guys get different ideas to decor your outdoor, your garden, your backyard at the festival of Christmas or any other festival that you can or you want to enjoy. Hope you guys get different multicolor waterfall outdoor light ideas that you can use at the festival of Christmas. Please share your reviews at the comment section below and tell me which idea do you like most and which type of idea do you want. Please share your reviews at the comment section and press the bell icon for the latest update. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. This beautiful idea and also this beautiful, amazing and outstanding ideas make your outdoor or garden, and this beautiful idea make your garden attractive. Thank you.